Here's a 2011 Buick Enclave. Smart, sleek, and beautiful, it shatters expectations of what a crossover should be. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: automatic transmission, front heated leather bucket seats, AM/FM XM satellite radio, ultrasonic park assist, dual zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, auxiliary audio input, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, and V6 engine. Of the Enclave, Car and Driver notes the ride is surprisingly dynamic, with little body roll even on some winding, shoulderless rural asphalt. Buick, expect more than you'd imagine. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.